something really cool. Look, it's a car. And something in this. I got 2 ice cream. Really? Is it beautiful? This one is for pets. You guys want to see a strawberry? Strawberry milk. Strawberry milk. And this one I got trapped bug inside before, but it's okay. It's a bug bottle. I trap bugs always inside. It's okay. They can breathe. They didn't die. And this one is a chocolate banana milk. It tastes really gross. Just don't drink that too. And this one is a banana water. And a water bottle. You want to see something really cool? You wanna eat ice cream, girl? Ice cream. Eat this ice cream. Yum 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 yum. I believe we can fly. I got an ice cream truck before, but I accidentally destroyed it. But I still got and the biggest ice cream in the world. Look. Look. Can we eat this ice cream? Okay. I'm gonna do it from you. Just kidding.